Good morning, my dear students. Today I would like to go through the Unit 3 of Class 2. And the name of Unit 3 is Multiplication and Division. Look here, you can see here the table. I have written something on whiteboard, isn't it? So today we are going to read about the multiplication. Okay, and before starting the multiplication, before starting the different questions that comes under the multiplications, I would like to make you know about the multiplication table. You must know the table. Okay, so first of all I would like to introduce the table from 1 to 5. Yeah, table 1 देखिए 5 समझ. So I will make you know that I think when you were in class 2, you have written like this, isn't it? 5 1 1 like this. 5 1 5 like this, isn't it? So it is not different from this, okay? So it is only the way for writing the table of 1 2 3 4 5 is different, but the answer, but the table that you have learned in your junior classes, okay, this one is also similar to that, okay? Exactly, okay, totally similar. Only the way, okay, लेख्ने तरिकामा त फरक छ, but okay, the table are same, okay? Look here, here is a table of 1. Table of 1, look here. 1 into 1 equals to 1, okay? 1 1 za 1. 1 2 za 2. 1 into 3, what do you get? 3. 1 3 za 3. 1 4 za 4. 1 5 za 5. 1 6 za 6. 1 7 za 7. 1 8 za 8. 1 9 za 9. 1 10 za 10. So if you multiply this 1 is multiplied with 1, then you will get 1. When 1 is multiplied with 2, then you will get 2. But if 1 is multiplied with 3, then you will get 3. So this, look here, except this, okay, just look at downside answer. So these all are the answer that you get after multiplied with the different number from 1 to 10 with the 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Likewise, let's go ahead to the table of 2. So here, look at from 2 to, don't look this because I have marked it with a little bit thick, isn't it? Thick writing, thick line, isn't it? I have boxed with, so you don't need to look here. First of all, look here, this downside, okay? 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. So these all are the answer, okay? When these all are the answer which comes when these 2 get multiplied with the 1 or 2 get multiplied with the 2. If 2 get multiplied with the 3, the answer will be this, like this, okay? So I'm going to read this. Please read with me. This is a table of 2. 2 into 1, 2. Okay? If you multiply the 2 with 1, then what you will get? 2. If you multiply this 2 with 2, then what you will get? 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So let's add to the table of 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. So these all are the table, okay, from 1 to 5. So you have to copy it as well as you have to learn it. You have to take it in your mind, okay. If you will read this, if you will learn this, then you will be able to solve all the questions that comes under either multiplication or division. I hope you will copy as well as you will read it also. Okay, after that I would like to go up to the jump up to the topic, that is the multiplication of 6. Okay, the table of 1 to 5 you have learned in your junior classes, but also I have written it on your whiteboard to just for revising you, isn't it? So, but in your class 2 you have to read the table of 6 to 10. Okay. So first of all, I would like to introduce the table of 6. Look here, I have written like this, and you can write like this also, as I've told you. Okay, when I have written the table of from 1 to 5, isn't it? You can write like 6 1 the 6. So this is the fact. This is the real way to write the table, isn't it? But here is not enough space, so that's why I'm writing in this way. I hope you will understand that, okay? So don't feel confusion, okay, what am I teaching? This is a table of 6, and you know well about that, what is it? So, look here, 6, this is 6 and this is a multiplication sign, okay? I think you know that this is a multiply, or into, you can say it into, okay? 6. When this 6 gets multiplied with the 1, then what you will get? 6. Okay. So this is the answer, okay, that we get after multiplying this 6 with the number from 1 to 10. When we multiply this 6 with the number from 1 to 10, then we get this type of number. Okay. So 6 into 1, or 6 1s are 6. When this 6 get multiplied with the 1, then what you will get? 6. When 6 get multiplied with the 2, then what you will get? 12. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 60. So look here. Here I have written some question. Okay, that will be related with the multiplication of 6. Okay, so look here, first question is like this, write the multiplication fact. Okay, what you have to do, look here in a number question, here is a number 6. In this a number question, there is only written 6 6 6 6 6, isn't it? There is only a number that is 6, because this is the question that will be related with the multiplication of 6. That's why here is only written the 6. Now how to do it, so I will tell, so please listen carefully. Look at in a number question, here is a 6, isn't it? So here is a 2 blanks, and between these 2 blanks there is a multiply sign. So in this first blanks, what you have to write that, so what is the number here? Good number lekhieko cha 6. So first of all, what you have to write? 6. After that, you have to count that how many 6 are there. You have to count how many 6 are there. So let's count it with me. 1 2 3 4. Altogether how many 6? 4. So 6 into 4. Look here. 6 into 4. Then what you will get? 24. 6 into 4. What you will get? 24. So this is the way to solve such type of questions. Likewise, a B number, this is also the same. Okay, I have written this extra question for making you more clear. Okay, look here, here is also again a 6. Okay, first of all, what do you have to write? 6, isn't it? After that, you have to count how many 6 are there. So let's count it with me. 1 2 3 4 5. So how many 6 are there? 5. 5s are 30 or 6 5s are 30, 30. After that, there is a second question that you have to find the product of. This one is also same, okay? So 5 6 or 6 5 when 5 get multiplied, look, when 5 get multiplied with the 6, what you will get? When 5 get multiplied with the 6, what you will get? 30. So 5 6 30. After that, in B number, 7 6 when this 6 gets multiplied with the 7, what you will get? 42. So 7 6 or 6 7 42. So this is the way, or this type of question will be given to you in exam, okay? That will be related with the multiplication of 6. So if you want to solve such type of question more, okay, to make yourself perfect in solving the maths work, then you can see in your book in the page number 92. There are lots of questions like this. Hope you will do it as a homework in your copy. So I'm going to focus. Okay, now I would like to go to the multiplication table of 7. So here is the table of 7. Look here, this is a 7 and this is a multiplication sign. So when this 7 gets multiplied with all the numbers from 1 to 10, then you will get this type of numbers. Okay, so let's see that when this 7 gets multiplied with the 1, then what you will get? 7. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, and 7 10s are 70. So this is the table of 7 and you have to read it, okay? You have to learn it. You have to take it in your mind because it is very important to solve all the questions that is related to your multiplication table of 7. That will definitely come in your exam. So look here. So this question is also at same that I have given in you the multiplication table of 6, isn't it? The question, the way, the pattern of the question will be same, but the answer will be only different because this is a 7, that one is a 6, isn't it? But the way to solve this question is same. So look here, what is the digit here? Obviously 7. You can see here, this is a 7. So you can write here 7. Okay, after that you have to count that how many 7 are there. So let's count it with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So altogether there are 6 7. What there are 7 so 6. So you have to write here 6. So when, okay, when this 7 gets 7 gets added, जब यो 6 or 7 लाई add गरिन्छ, जोडिन्छ, what you will get? Obviously 42. If you don't believe me, then you can just take the help of a multiplication table of 7, okay? Well, look here, when this 7 gets multiplied with the 6, then what is the answer that you will get? Obviously 42. So in this box, you have to write 42. After that, here is the question that is a find the product of. So here this question is also same as I have given you under the multiplication table of 6, isn't it? So here 9 into 7. Oh, don't feel confusion. Here is the 10 9, isn't it? But look here, what do you have to? What am I teaching? I'm teaching about the multiplication table of 7. So you have to be focused towards the 7. So here is a 7. When this 7 gets multiplied with the 9, what you will get? You can take the help of this table, okay? So look here, when this 7 get multiplied with the 9, 7 when multiplied with the 9, then what do you get? Obviously 63. So right here 63. After that, here is B number question. So this one is also same. 4 7s are. First of all, what is the topic that I'm teaching, that is a 7, isn't it? So 7, look the 7, focus toward the 7. So when this 7 gets multiplied with the 4, जब 7 लाई 4 सँग multiply गरिन्छ, so what you will get? What is the answer that you will get? So look here, 7 into 4, what you will get? 28. So the answer will be 28. So this is the way to solve the questions if that will be related to the multiplication table of 7. So if you want to solve this type of question more, okay, you can take the you can see the page number 93 of the book of class 2. So I'm going to focus this question. Okay, my dear students, you have to do it as a homework. Don't think that it's a lot homework. If you will do it, if you will practice it at your home, then you will be perfect and you will get lots of marks in your examination. So okay, this is the multiplication table of 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the multiplication table of 8, after that this is of 9 and this is of 10. So I would like to make you know about that. When this 8 get multiplied with the different number from 1 to 10, then you will get these types of number. You can see here in the down row, isn't it? Here the 8, 16, 24. So these all are the number that you get after multiplying 8 with the different types of number from 1 to 10. Okay, so look here, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. After that, let's come up to the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. After that, at last the table of 9. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. So this is a multiplication table of 8, 9 and 10. You have to copy it in your copy as well as you have to learn it. Okay, and the question that you will get that will be related to the multiplication of 8, 9 and 10 will be similar to the question that I have taught you under the topic, that is a multiplication of 6 and 7. So the question will be same, only the answer will be different. So here are the question that will be just related to the multiplication of table of 9 is like this. Look here. So this is the same. What you have to do, there is a 8, isn't it? So first of all, in the first blank you have to write the 8, isn't it? In the first blank, what you have to write? You have to write 8. After that you have to count how many 8 are there. And after that in the second blank, so we have to write that. And with the help of table of 8, you have to write the answer in the box. As well as in the multiplication table of 9, look here, question is same. Okay, after that I am going to tell you about the zero property of a multiplications. Okay, so as we know that 3 into 2 means that 3 plus 3. That means there 3 into 2 means there are how many 3? 2, 3. 3 into 2 means what? 3 into 2 भनेको के हो त? यहाँ 3 or 2 वटा चाहिँ 3 छ. So if you will add this, then what you will get? 6. Isn't it? After that, there is a 3 into 3. That means there are 3 3. त्यहाँ कतिवटा 3 छ? 3टा 3 छ. So if you add this 3 3, isn't it? Then what you will get? 9. So similar to this, isn't it? Here I have written the 0. 2 into 0. That means you can write like this. There are 2 0. 0 is get multiplied with a 2. That means you can write in this way also, isn't it? कतिवटा 0 छ 2 वटा so 0 plus 0 here I have written 2 0 isn't it I have added the 2 0 so if you add the 0 2 0 then what you get at last what you will get 0 okay after that 0 into 3 into 0 isn't it so what you get here are 3 0 that means here are 3 0 so you have to add the 3 0 as I have done on the board isn't it 1 2 3 so when you add the 3 0 then what do you get 0 okay either you add the 1000 0 or 2 0 or 10 0 at last what you will get what its sum will be its sum will be 0 so त्यसलाई जोड्दा जहिले पनि के आउँछ 0 नै आउँछ okay so look here complete the following so that means if you will multiply any number with the 0 so if you multiply any number with the 0 then you will get 0 okay always either that is 1 lakh 1000 10,000 1 million okay if that number will be multiplied with the 0 यदि तीन नम्बरहरु 0 सँग मल्टिप्लाई गरिन्छ भने के आउँछ आन्सरमा 0 you will get the 0 so that's why 3 into 0 0 this one is so easy 0 into 3 0 0 into 10 0 6 into 0 0 okay so this is the 0 property of the multiplication that means you have to take in your mind if any number is getting multiplied with the 0 then you will receive the 0 in answer okay so don't think that this is the end of this video okay so don't think that I haven't given you the homework in the middle part of a video I've shown you the different types of questions isn't it that is related to the either the multiplication of 6 or 7 or that is either related to the multiplication 8 9 and 10 likewise this is also the question okay so you have to do that all the questions that I have shown you in the book isn't it in your copy that is the homework for you I hope you will do it at your home in your copy very seriously please don't feel lazy and stay safe stay healthy and thank you so much